Hey, this is Matthew with Another World Terraria. Welcome to my 1K subscriber update video, in which I want to thank you for your support and tell you what's coming up for the channel. First of all, if you're a current subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you. You helped me reach 1,000 subscribers. That's not a ton of subs compared to bigger channels, but it's still a great milestone. By the way, if you're not a current subscriber, join the other 1,000 or so awesome people who are and hit that subscribe button now. I want to extend a very special thank you to those of you who are out there sharing links to my videos and spreading the word about what I'm doing. You have no idea how much I appreciate your support and how much of an impact it has on my channel. If you're one of the folks that comments on my videos and or hits the like button on them, I also want to thank you for that. Now is a good time for a friendly reminder that I'm always listening and I'm happy to hear your questions, feedback, topic requests, and so forth. Here's a quick list of some of what's up ahead for Another World Terraria. More Terraria reveals and behind-the-scenes footage showing how I built them. A wide variety of Terraria designs, styles, and plant choices. More in-depth series videos like my popular How to Grow Boosie Immersed Like a Boss and Bioactive Grow Bin tutorials. More info about how I actually grow my tropical plants, such as which lights I use, which fertilizer, how to know when to water, and so on. More videos about moss and mossariums, a full tour of my entire collection, and much more, including a few ideas I don't want to give away just yet. If you have any ideas to add, please leave a comment below. Once again, thank you for the likes, comments, shares, subscribes, and other support. 1K is just the beginning.